Yo, what up people? This is my quick unboxing of the Sennheiser 58X Jubilee headphones, which I got delivered today. Took them about 2 weeks to arrive in Germany. And yeah, I've not opened this box yet. This is the outer shell, the outer box that they came in. And it looks like customs has been inside of these. This is Zoll, the German word for customs. And I'm curious what it looks like inside, because I don't know if they had like their dogs sniff the headphones to see if there's drugs in the ear pads or something, I don't know. And yeah, so I'm curious to see if they destroyed the inner packaging. So let's open this up. Actually really excited because I don't usually receive packages from another continent. So this is really special. Whoa. So it is a lot of air. Wow, this package is small. Dang. That's tiny. I thought it was about as big as the outer box, but look, it's really just a fraction of the size. Oh, okay. But it's actually pretty heavy, so we'll see. So I don't know, it was not sealed. It was just in this bag. So they probably had a look inside. Other than that, it's a lot of these weird things that I can pop and have fun with, and some information that I won't show on camera. Oh, you could probably already see it, and that's not. So this is the box. Constantly touching my camera. Yeah, I'm surprised by how heavy it is actually, because I think these are really light. Yeah, there's some weird numbers on the bottom, nothing on the side, nothing on the top. Oh yeah, 2 years warranty. And nothing on the other side. So, oh, this is great. What? New material only? This product contains poly something foam. Okay, foam. Yeah. Oh, and it's number 50,000 of 508. 501, no, that can't be the serial number. There they are. Okay, cool. So, it's just, this is, somebody said it on YouTube, it's the fucking lousiest packaging you could imagine. It's just this headphone, and with like paper to hold it in place, and it doesn't really hold it in place. It's just flying around in the box. Yeah, so these are the headphones. Very nice. We're gonna have a look at these. Oh, and it's, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, number 20,771. They have the adapter installed. And then there's nothing basically. Nothing in the box, just some paper. Sennheiser 58X Jubilee. I mean, you don't need much of an instruction with headphones like these. Yeah, it tells you how to adjust them and tells you how to put them on your head, but I hope you all know how to do this. And there they are, the headphones. Oh, cool. These are my first hi-fi headphones. or mid-fi headphones if you want. So pretty excited to test these out. I have a JDS Labs Atom coming as well, and also a DAC, a topping D10, but the DAC is already here. The Atom is still on its way, and yeah, so there they are, 58X Jubilee. They're really, really nice. You can't really see that on camera, the material, you can't feel it. You can't really feel it, but it's really nice. It's this grill. I thought the grills were a brighter tone. The grills are actually a really dark silverish grey. They look much brighter on the pictures on Massdrop than they do in real life. Yeah, the nice ear pads, classic Sennheiser ear pads. Very cool. It's probably gonna attract a lot of fingerprints. This is why I'm wearing these gloves, to not mess it up right away. This shiny surface. But yeah, they actually feel quite well built, I have to say. I mean, I don't know, they make some weird noises, but the plastic, it's solid, and they got a nice weight. I mean, I'm gonna try them out, see if they're comfortable, but so far they make a really high quality impression to me. Yeah, there's a cable. I don't actually know how long this is. Is it a 6 feet? I don't know how much 6 feet is, because I'm not American. Yeah, that's not too long. I don't know, probably about 1.5 meters. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna try them out now. Because I don't have the JDS Labs Atom yet, I'm gonna try them out on my phone and on my PC. But yeah. Very nice. Oh, the ear pads are really soft. Okay, yeah, that's it, I guess. The plug to unplug and to plug in again. The classic Sennheiser plug. Yeah, that's it.